Hey there, and welcome to SkillsForge Pro. In today's tutorial, we're diving into a fun and easy way to create a Neon Cyberpunk effect in Canva in just a few simple steps and under a minute. Thanks to Canva's AI-powered tools, transforming your images has never been easier. First, let's select the image we'll be working with. I've chosen this stunning shot of Los Angeles at sunset, which we're about to turn into a cyberpunk-inspired masterpiece. Before applying the effect, I'll duplicate the page. This way, we can compare the before and after versions of our image. Now let's unlock the magic of Canva's AI. Select the second image, click on Edit, and go to Magic Studio, where Canva's powerful AI tools are located. Choose Magic Edit. This tool allows us to modify specific parts of the image either using SmartClick or the Brush tool. For the best results, I recommend using the Brush tool to select the entire image. Now comes the fun part. In the prompt box, type "Apply Cyberpunk Effect on this image." Then hit Generate. And let Canva's AI work its magic. It might take a few moments to load, so while you wait, consider liking this video and subscribing to support us. We're always bringing you the latest Canva tips and tricks. Once the process is complete, Canva will generate 4 different variations of the effect. You can select the one that best matches your vision, or click Generate again to explore other options. Once you're happy with the result, hit Done. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, let us know in the comments what Canva techniques you'd like to see next. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tutorials. See you in the next video.